Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video I am super duper excited because today I'm going to show you the unboxing of my new phone, that is Motorola One Fusion. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. I'm filming this video through this phone, so you can get a clear idea of the video quality of this phone. And yes, I wanted to share a mini review of this phone through this video to all of you guys. I'm using this phone for 2 days and I loved the pop-up camera of this phone. I simply loved it. The next thing which I loved is the good display, and the battery backup is really good. Once it is charged, it goes for a long time. And next thing which I have realized, that as a YouTuber I have lots and lots of apps in this phone, but within these 2 days I never saw the phone hanging. It is also something really great, and it caught my attention also, because in my previous Samsung phone what used to happen, I had lots of apps and after few days I saw that phone was hanging, but in this case it is not that. Now the thing is that it is a bit heavy, but not that heavy also that you can't use it. But this is it has a good processor, and so yeah, I think I have covered almost each and every point. I am not that sound in technology, but whatever came into my notice, I have talked about it in this video. So yeah guys, if you have liked this video, please leave a like and do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon. See you all in my next video. Till then, tata, take care, bye bye.